Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I am Atul and in this video we are going to discuss about the Workday function. So this Workday function takes a date in Excel and return the nearest working end days in future or in past based on your input. You can use this Workday function to calculate the things like the delivery dates or completion dates of a process that needed to be taken into account of the working and non-working days. The purpose of this function is to get the nth working day or the n working days in future or in past, which will always return the value that is a serial number representing a particular date in Excel. So now suppose you have to get a series of dates that are work days, which is from Monday to Friday. Now you have a date and you have a set of public holidays within a month, and you want to know how many days are there in which the employees will be working. To do that, you can use this workday function. Now suppose I'll put these two dates here as my non-working days or public holiday days. So I'll put public holiday. And now I want to know that what would be my next working day. So I have 1st of June 2021, right? And then I have this day, which is a public holiday, 3rd June. Similarly, I have 4th June, which is a public holiday. And now if I let's remove this data points here. Now if I need to know that within that week, which starts from this date, how many days I have to go to office or how many days are there in which I will be working. So let's take the day here. So I'll take this value and put 4 times t. This will give me the day of the week. Okay. And let's track this formula to understand the use of this workday in much better way. So on Tuesday I have to be in office, on Thursday it's a public holiday, on Friday it's a public holiday, and I need to know that okay, after this first, which will be my second working day, third working day or fourth working day. So what I can do is that I can simply use this workday function to find out which will be my next working day after excluding this public holidays. So what I'll do is that I'll simply put equal to workday, okay, and this workday has 3 arguments. The first argument is the start date, which is the date from which you want to start. So for me, I want to start from this particular date, okay. Then it's asking me the days. This argument states the working days before or after the start date. So if you want to move into future, then you have to give the number in positive, and if you want to move back to the past, then you have to give the numbers in negative. So I'll put 1. I want the next working day after this Tuesday, okay. And then it's asking me holidays. It's an optional argument and it is a list of dates that should be considered non-working days. So for me, these 2 dates within this month June will be a non-working day because it's a public holiday. So let's freeze these cells, okay. Let's close this parenthesis and press enter. So for me, the next working day would be 2nd, which is Wednesday, right? Which is Wednesday. Okay. Now if I need to know another day which will be working day for me, because this 2nd is working day, where this 2nd of June is prior to 3rd and 4th of June, right? So I need to know the day post these 2 dates. Then what I can do is that I can simply put 3, and I'm getting 8th June 2021, which is Tuesday again. And the reason I'm getting this, because after 4th we will have 5th of June and 6th of June, right? And then 5th of June and 6th of June would be Saturday and Sunday. Then we will have 7th of June, which will be Monday. But instead of getting Monday, I'm getting 8th of June here. And the reason for that, because I have given 3 in days. So after this 1st of June, I am counting the 3rd work day for me, or the 3 days which will be working for me. So the 1st of June is not considered in this formula because it is the start date. So for me, the next working day would be 2nd of June, right? So let me put it here to help you to understand this. So my next working day would be 2nd of June, which will be the first working day for me. After 2nd of June, we have 3 and 4 of June, which is a public holiday. Okay. So the next day, working day for me would be 7th of June, because 5th, 6th is Saturday, Sunday, so it's weekend. So the next day would be 7th of June, right? And the 3rd working day for me would be 8th of June. And that's why this formula, where I have given A6 as my start date, the third future working day for me in my output as days, and then I am excluding these 2 public holidays. So that's why this formula is giving me 8/06/2021, because 8/06/2021 is the 3rd working day for me after this 1st June 2021. So this is how you can use this workday function to return the nearest working end days in future or in past in Excel.